Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Amazfit BIP Max, and on this video we are going to explore the display settings for our BIP Max. On our previous video, we have the custom watch faces as well as the watch face, downloadable watch faces. This time, we will explore the settings for our screen display. So if you are interested to know more about the settings, additional settings for the BIP Max, especially for the screen display, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Amazfit BIP Max. Okay, so we received some queries or questions about the always-on display of the wearable. So we'll focus on that first. We have here the display. We have the screen duration as well as the always-on display. So you can activate this. And we have an option here. Let's see. If I'm going to activate this one, battery life warning. Okay. Always-on style, you have an option here. Follow the watch face or style selection. We also have the settings here in the support app. Just go to the device settings here. Okay, we'll wait for it to load. We have the display and brightness. We have always on display. So enable method manual. Okay. Turn on automatically. Okay, follow watch face. This one, if you're going to follow the watch face, it will set its own watch face depending on it will set its own always on display, AOD, depending on the style of the watch face. Let's see. For example, this one, and this is the always on display. Okay, if you don't want to follow that, let's turn on. Let's set it first to all day. Then we'll select our own style. Okay. Let's follow on the watch face first. Let's see. 5 seconds. And this is the watch face. Okay. If we're going to change this, let's see. Long press. We'll pick this one. So this is the watch face. Let's see if there's a dim version of this one. Okay, so this is the style of the watch face. But if you don't like it, you can also pick a different style. Let's say we'll pick this one. So we have endless domain. And this is our watch face. Okay. So we are done with the always on display. You can also set the time here. If you don't like to have an all day, you can schedule turn on time. We'll set the manual. Okay, always on style. Then let's go back. Okay, so manual method. We'll disable this. We also have here the automatic brightness. So the smartwatch do have its own ambient sensor. Okay, you don't need to adjust it here. It will automatically adjust the brightness depending on the sensor. Then we have the screen duration. We have here the general. And we have here the workout. It has a different screen duration for the workout, as well as the watch face and the general. Okay, for example, we have here the general. We'll set it to 8 seconds. Then okay. 8, 7, 6, 5. Again, we'll refresh it and let's go back. We'll go to the main menu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that is 8 seconds. So the watch face here is different. We have 5 seconds. Let's check. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. We're going to adjust it to 8 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Okay, so we do have a different screen on duration for the watch face, workout, and the general. That is for the main menu and other apps here. Okay, then we have the wrist to view info. Okay, activating the lift your wrist to activate the screen. Then here in the smartwatch, we also have additional settings. Display. So we have always on, tap to wake, single tap, double tap. Let's see. Off. Let's try this. Let's adjust first the screen duration. Okay. Screen display settings. Watch face. Let's see if it will work if we tap on the smartwatch. Okay, it's not working. Let's go back to the settings. Then display. Tap to wake. Single tap. Let's wait for 5 seconds. Okay, it works. Again. Slide tap. Yes, it works. Then for the double tap. Double tap. Okay. Let's wait again. Did not work. Didn't work. Double tap. Yes, it works. Okay, so that's an additional option for our display settings. Then we have a theme style. So what are the options? We have the default and business. And we have the by brand. Okay. We have the screen color style, natural, and vivid. Okay, if I'm going to check it, it's just a minor difference here. We have a night display. Let's see. Night display minimizes eye strain in low light conditions. Okay, so this is the night display. You can also change the color here and green. Nice. Auto enable, disable. Okay, this is if you are going to use it outside, especially in dark areas. Raise to wake, always on display, and brightness. As you can see here, we do have a lot of options. Okay, for our wearable. And this one, it is new to me for this night display. It's not available in other smartwatches. Screen color style, vivid. So this is the vivid color. Then going back, display. We have the natural color. Okay, so that's it for our demo for the settings for our screen display of the Amazfit BIP Max. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, drop a comment below. Watch our other videos, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!